How to draw an isometric floor lamp. First, setting your canvas. Start to draw an oval. Then duplicate and move one of them down, and then connect them by 2 lines. And another side, and then erase the lines that is inside, like the video show you. And then we are going to make dimension. We are going to make another oval inside. You can always adjust it again, don't worry. Make it balance. And then merge all layers that we just created. And then adjust the positions. Next, we are going to draw a light bulb. Don't worry, if it's not at the center, you can always adjust it. And draw a circle and then connect with 2 lines and then adjust the position. And then don't forget to merge all the layer. Next, create a new layer and draw a lamp's leg. Create a new layer and start to draw an oval on the base of the lamp, and duplicate and set one of them bigger. Yes. After that, erase the line inside, or the line that is overlap inside, and adjust the size of the base. Alright, and then okay, I want it a little bit bigger. Alright, I think it looks good now. And then don't forget to merge all the layers. And then create a new layer, because we are going to make dimension. Draw an oval and move the position like the video show you. And then erase the lines that overlaps. It's done.